What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles live stream, or as I think I might start calling my show, Franklin's Candle. Guys, real quick, let me fix my microphone. I did not realize it was so far away. Boom. Okay. Sorry about that. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles live stream every single weekday right here at 5:45 p.m. right after Around the Blockchain. Thank you to every single one of you tuning in right now. There's a lot of things you could be doing with your time right now, and you guys chose to spend it with the CandleMafia, so I appreciate every single one of you more than you can imagine. Guys, today we have an awesome show as Bitcoin has no chill. It's like, it just goes sideways, it's really boring, and then boom, it shoots up, everyone's like, woo, and then it dumps, and everyone's like, ah, except us, we're like cheering, right? And then it just rips back up. Are we gonna rip back down, guys? We have seen quite an intense pump. We're gonna take a look into it. What caused the pump? Is it sustainable? Is the important $1 million question that everybody wants to know. we're gonna take a look at that. We're gonna take a look at the alts. But guys, before we get into it, I have some things to talk about here. How about that call yesterday on the stream, guys? Those Bart Simpson patterns, diamond top reversal patterns, whatever you want to call it, they play out. That's the second one that played out, basically like textbook. Super good call. Caught both of my shorts yesterday. As you guys know, they were in and out of the red during the stream. I want to say my confidence level on those trades were about 70%-ish. But kind of was, in the green, in the red, in the green, in the red, in the green, in the red, got home, opened up the Discord. Everybody was going nuts. I'm like, what's going on? I opened the chart. Boom. Just like that, we went from in the red to deep into the green. Closed out the Bitcoin short. I forget the percentage. We could pull it up right here. I took profits on the ETH short. Still have a little bit in. I'll be 100% honest with you. I don't really know what I want to do. I'm still in it right now with I think it's about 50% of the trade is still in. We're gonna ride it out. We'll see what happens. But yeah, interesting price action. Was glad we were able to call that yesterday. But it can never happen on the stream. I wish that could happen on the stream so we can get excited on the stream, but it always waits right until I get home. But spent a good amount of time in the Discord hanging out with you guys last night. That was super fun. And before we get started, guys, have a pretty busy week. Who caught me? Let me know in chat who called me on Crypto Jeb's channel this morning for coffee and crypto. That was super cool. Super fun hanging out with those guys. Bunch of really cool people over on Jeb's channel. Tim, Smay, I think that's his name. They always say his name really fast. I can never catch it. But yeah, Jeb, everybody over there, super cool. Had a great time. So hopefully you guys were able to catch that. If not, go watch the replay. It was pretty fun. And then, guys, on Thursday's a Frankie Candles takeover all day long. I might not make it. I'm gonna have to keep drinking my canned water or my black coffee. Gonna have to double up on the black coffee on Thursday because listen to this, guys. Listen to this. Also, let me know in the chat if you guys are liking me running the board on Ben's morning live stream. That's my second time doing it, hanging out with the Bit Squad in the morning for the whole stream. Pretty cool. Usually just get up there for about Smay. Okay, cool. I got it right. I knew I got it right. Let's go. Thank you, Tyler. But yeah, hanging out in the morning stream. Usually I just go up there for about 5 minutes, do some TA, but been running the board as TJ is in Italy. He is in the mainland. I actually think he had some stuff to talk about with the Godfather. So, he went over to Italy, go talk to him. But anyway, on Thursday, guys, I will be hosting, I believe, as of right now, I will be hosting the entire BitBoy Crypto morning stream, unless something changes. But as of right now, it's Frankie Candles on the morning stream, hosting the whole thing as DZ, Ben, and TJ are out. Everybody's out. They're at Consensus or on vacation or wherever everybody is. They're all gone. So I'm going to be hosting the morning stream the whole time. So definitely on Thursday, make sure to get in there and show your boys some love. And then right after that, I'm going to have a bunch of pre-recorded videos to do. I'm taking over the 9 p.m. video. And then I'm also hosting Around the Blockchain, I believe, at this time. I will be also hosting Around the Blockchain. And then right after Around the Blockchain, I'm going right over to my live stream right here. So Thursday is going to be a crazy day, but it's going to be a Frankie Candles takeover. So we're kind of taking over the whole studio for the whole day on Thursday. So should be pretty fun. So if you're a Frankie Candles fan or you're part of the CandleMafia, stick around on the channel on Thursday because you won't be able to watch a video without seeing my face. So I'm excited about that. Gonna be super fun. And then real quick, before we say what's up to chat and jump into the charts, I just want to remind you guys, we are doing a Cardano NFT giveaway and we are giving away 2 or 3 of these Frankie Candles hats. These are limited, guys. These are limited. It's a gray back, right? Little snapback. Gray on the back. Front is black with the leather, real leather, might I add. Frankie Candles logo. Doesn't say Frankie Candles. Doesn't say CandleMafia, so it's super low key. You know, it's one of those if you know things. But we're gonna be giving away a couple of those this week on Friday. If you guys want to enter to win the Cardano NFTs or one of these limited edition hats, Definitely go check out our 2 videos. I know Tyler just linked them. It's the false top theory video and our leverage trading KuCoin video, our last 2 pre-recorded uploads. So you can enter on both of these videos. You can like, comment, and be a subscriber on both of these videos, and you will get entered. We're gonna pull the Cardano NFTs from winners from one video. We'll pull the hat winners from another video. So watch them, like, and comment on both of them for the best chances to win. And speaking of giveaways, guys, if you wanna spin the wheel of pain and pleasure for a chance to win some more giveaways. I don't know what we're giving away so far. Maybe, Tony, Tyler, Captain, somebody in the chat can let us know what we're giving away this week. I know there's a bunch of Cardano NFTs and the 2 hats, but for every 100 likes, you guys get a spin on the wheel of pain and pleasure to win more giveaways. So smash up that like button if you have not already. 282 people in here. I appreciate all you for tuning in. And before we get into it, let's say what's up to chat and then get right into the charts. Okay, let's see. Oh God, we're already popping over here. The Dad, what is going on? Says Ada and what's up? Ada and BTC, let's go. Samuel, what is going on? CandleMafia, let's go. Crypto Anon, one of our amazing mods. Thank you for being here. Tyler Durden, Captain Kirk, and Tony D, our 3 other amazing mods. Thank you guys for being here. Let's see. Captain says no. Franklin's candle is horrible. Yeah, I know. It sounds like a PBS special or something. Welcome to Franklin's Candle. And today we're going to be talking about the importance of vitamin D. Anyway, I don't know where that came from. Let's go. Crypto, okay. Karen Cardin, these are hard to read. Karen Cardin, what is going on? Karen says she agrees with Captain. Let's see. Ill Hero, what is going on? Thank you for being here back. Thanks for being back here, man. We always love seeing you in here. User number 7, as usual, with the candle emojis. I see you, user 7. Thank you for being here. David Brumbelow E Jr. I don't know how to say your name, David, but you're always in here, so we love you. What is going on, man? Jimmy with a stimmy. What's cracking, cuz? I'm chilling, brother. How are you doing? Crypto Billy. I know. Crypto Billy. I'm so sorry. Crypto Billy. Yes. I ran out of the house today, and on the way to work, I was like, oh, forgot the CandleMafia t-shirt, but we're going to throw it on. Don't worry, we're going to throw it on. Hopefully tomorrow, if my short-term memory loss doesn't kick in, we will throw it on tomorrow, and we're going to represent your t-shirts and the CandleMafia. Shout out to Crypto Billy. We love you too. Thank you for being here, man. Slim Reaper, what is going on? Poverty Stacks, what is up? CryptTKO, what's going on, man? Thank you for being back here. Franklin Delano Roosevelt Candles, what is going on? Thank you for being here, man. Bad Manolite, what is going on? Hi, both the long, hit both the long and the short. Let's go. Congrats, man. Congrats. Rob the Crypto Snob, as always, welcome back. Part-time Chemist, as always, happy to see you. Angelo, Crypto Carl, what is going on? Alt season question mark. Lane Hughes, what is going on, man? Thank you for being here. Nice call. I appreciate that, Lane. Chemistry bro, nah, last pump before a bunch of bear macroeconomic factors come into play. Yeah, sketchy. Let's get a couple more in here before we get started. Jonathan Schaefer, as always, what is going on? Palmetto Nick, what is going on? Welcome back. Michael Snellen, is Mickey in here too? I bet she is. Michael and Mickey Snelling, what is going on? Lewis, JX2, Anthony, what is going on? David, Infinity, CH Skyline, what is going on? Tiago, what is up? Wilton, Mr. Ethereum himself, Earn, what is going on? Maki or Moki, we got a couple more, and Andre, what's going on? Ryesh, Doc, Kane, Armored Crypto, and Wolfman ate my coins. What is going on, guys? Thank you for being here. We got 318 people in here, guys. Smash the like button for some dang giveaways. Let's make it a record-breaking giveaway week. Let's give away like 20 NFTs. Let's give away like 20 NFTs. If I'm not broke by the end of the week giving you guys NFTs, I failed. So smash up that like button and help me give you money. The like button's free. Still, we got to fix that glitch and start charging for that thing, but it's still free. So if you want free Cardano NFTs or a free hat, let's go. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump into the charts. Here we are. Here we are on the Bitcoin 1 minute, guys. Oh my God, we're dumping. No, I'm kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. God, I've been on one these past couple days, man. I am just feeling the fire today. I'm feeling the energy. And it's really funny because this is the end of the day usually where I'm like, kind of tired, and I'm like, oh God, how am I gonna have energy for the live stream? And then the second I jump on here and I start talking to the Candle Mafia, you guys fire me up like a bunch of candles you are. Anyway, please teach me. Luke, we're gonna try to teach the whole stream. Don't you worry. Don't smash it, we'll smith it. Let's go. Found support at 29.3 for the third time using the summer-spring level to the dollar. Yeah, let's go, Lane. Let's go. All right. Starting off here on Bitcoin on the weekly, guys. Listen, I don't want to beat a dead horse, right? Because like now I'm talking about this on the morning stream, and also talking about it on here as well. So we don't want to. I don't want to beat a dead horse here, but weekly green dot, definitely a bullish sign, not confirmed yet, but definitely has marked the bottom in the past. I'm not going to go back and back test it. We do it almost every day for the past couple days. Green dot, not confirmed. Has marked the bottom in the past, but you want to be careful because sometimes you can get two of these. The first one's a little bit of a fake out. You get that second leg down before coming up. So you want to keep that in mind, but nonetheless, it is indicating that we could be either bottoming or getting close to the bottom. So you want to remember that. Okay, what happened? What happened here? We already broke it. All right. So on the 6th day, guys, on the 6th day, green double green dot confirmed. Definitely a bullish sign. Similarly, this has marked the bottom as well. I'm not going to cover it too much. You can watch one of our previous live streams. I go into depth on why this could be indicating we're at the bottom, but typically a very bullish sign to get this double green dot on such a high time frame. 5-day also confirmed double green dot, very bullish. 4-day, same deal. But now taking a look at the daily and kind of digging into this price action here, guys, it's been a pretty wild ride these past couple of days. Daily right now, we did print this little trigger wave. Not surprised to come up a little bit here, but VWAP starting to flatten out, coming down, but money flow starting to finally come up here. So that is a good sign for the future. Now, money flow on the 16-hour is looking very good, guys. This is looking very good. Money flow smoothly coming up. Momentum waves generally coming up. This is good, right? This is typically what we want to see for positive price action for Bitcoin, which this relief rally's gotta be like this big relief rally that we're expecting between 35 and 37, I would say has got to be pretty close to around the corner here. I feel like we've been saying that forever, but every pump we get just keeps getting eaten up. But guys, it's bear market activities. I mean, it's not too, everybody's like, what's going on? Why every time we pump, we dump? I mean, we're in a bear market, right? Like, this is not out of the ordinary for a bear market. But this is looking good for that potential relief bounce that we've been waiting for. But we do have that VWAP coming down towards that zero line. So we might not be ready to go off to the races just yet. 12 hours, same thing. Money flow looking good. Momentum waves looking good. VWAP coming down. So you just want to keep that in mind. Now, 8 hour, we did cross below that zero line with the 8 hour yesterday, coming back up towards that zero line. So that is looking like we could get a bullish continuation on the 8 hour. Something I want to remind you guys of is with these lower time frames, right? 6 hour crossover into the green. It's very wish-washy here. But crossover on the 6 hour, crossover on the 8 hour, right? Crossover on the 10 hour. Granted, it is kind of just binging and bonging around. But when you come up to these higher time frames like the 12 hour, the fact that the 6, 8, and 10 have already crossed over, a lot of times these lower time frames will bleed into the higher time frame. So we're getting the crossovers on the 6, 8, 10. Maybe we can get them on the 12 and 16 here coming up soon. But you want to remember that VWAP's coming down. So we might come down just a little bit more before coming up and getting that crossover for the big, big move up. Now, 4 hour. 4 hour VWAP crossed over that zero line. Obviously, that is where we got that little pump. And let's just go ahead and see, let's go ahead and mark that and come over to our 15-minute. And look at that, got it right on close enough to that 15-minute money flow crossover. As you guys know, when the money flow crosses over on the 15-minute and the VWAP is crossing over on the 4 hour at the same time, typically it does mean price will come up a bit. So that did play out pretty nicely. Thunder. Ooh. You guys hear that? I think that's thunder. But guys, yeah, 4 hour looking pretty good. Looking like we could possibly come up a little bit more here. Coming up to these spider lines, though, I do want to point out these spider lines. They act as great resistance, right? We broke out a little bit here, got rejected by that that high this value area high right here, and then wound up coming back under the spider line. Got rejected perfectly at the spider line right here. Try to move these lines out of the way. Perfectly rejected off the spider line right there before we had the dump yesterday. And now we are coming up. We have not quite come up and touched that spider line yet, but we are moving up towards that area. So you want to remember that. We do have that resistance right here on the spider line at about 31,789. Right above that is that value area high at 32,166. About, give or take a few bucks, guys. But coming down here on the 1 hour, money flow was coming out. We came back up, got the pump. VWAP coming down though. Could we possibly? Now, I don't really know if this still holds, just because you're cutting through a bunch of candles here. So, but technically a higher high from this red dot to this potential red dot. That could be a bearish divergence. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think the fact that we're cutting through these candles invalidates this bearish divergence? Either way, though, from this candle to that candle, that is technically a higher high with a lower high on the momentum. So looking for, possible correction here. As you can see, we're kind of rounding off here. VWAP coming down on the 1 hour, so I would expect to cool off a little bit here in the short term. But if you guys were looking. Now, with all transparency, guys, I did not get this long. I missed this long. I had 500 things go. I'm really nervous about Thursday, guys. I have so much stuff going on Thursday, and today I was running around like a crazy man. I had so much to do, and Thursday I literally am doing like all the shows. Super pumped about it, but it's gonna be a crazy day. But hey, you only live once, and I'll sleep when I die. All right, when we're 100 years old. Who's getting cryogenically frozen? Let me know. Let me know in chat when you guys get crypto rich. Are you getting cryogenically frozen? And are we all going to have a CandleMafia meetup in the year 3280? Whatever the year is when they bring us back to life from being cryogenically frozen. But anyway, guys, back to the charts here. If you want to know how you could have caught this pump, again, I did not catch this one. I'm not saying, haha, I caught it. This is how you could have caught it. I didn't get this either because I was busy. Wasn't sitting at the chart. But we did put in a pretty big, I would consider this a pretty big bullish divergence on the 1 hour, even the 2 hour as well. This is where I first kind of noticed it. 2 hour bullish divergence with the higher low on market cipher B, as well as boom right here. And then to here, you got the lower low, the higher low, and then boom, you pop up. Guys, the divergences. If you guys have not watched my divergence video, and this is not me shilling my video. I'm just saying, really, if you have not watched the bullish divergence video and you haven't picked up on how to find these based off of what I say on the streams, they're not hard to find. I'm sure a lot of you have already picked up. Even if you didn't know what they were and you watched the stream, you probably get it. But definitely go watch this video, guys, because these divergences play out. Look at this. Boom, boom, rip up. They play out 100, they definitely play out. They don't play out 100% of the time, but they do play out. They are one of the most powerful signals, one of the best signals that I like to use. Or shouldn't say one of the best, but like one of the signals that I really pay a lot of attention to. So there you go. That's how you could have seen this. Also, we also were coming down to you guys know we had these levels, this golden pocket down here. As we got that big dump. We were looking for, coming down to this golden pocket and hopefully holding support. So that's what I always say, guys, right? You want to find your key levels, right? We have plenty of videos, plenty of streams that explain how to find the key levels. I talk about it all the time. Fibonacci levels, spider lines, horizontal levels of support and resistance, using the volume profile tools, finding the key levels, marking them, right? And then not chasing the trades, but letting price come to you. You want to bring him in. What am I trying to say? I don't know what I'm trying to say, but you want to entice them, right? Come on, come to my level, come to my level. Boom. It comes to your level of support. Now it's stuck in your web, right? It's coming up to the support. Now you're looking for bullish divergences. If you're coming down to support, you're looking for bullish divergences, right? If you're coming to resistance, you're looking for bearish divergences or other confirmations. So you want to wait for price to come to your level, have your level set, wait for price to come to your level, boom, find your divergences, find your confirmations, whatever they may be, find them. That's where you enter, boom. That's how you want to do it. That's in my opinion, that's where I found the most success doing. You don't want to go chasing the trades, right? And if you do, just know that it's going to be a little more risky. You want to wait for them to come to those key levels, right? So we had that big pump up. Came up to this golden pocket right here, and boom, we got a rejection. Not a surprise, and then boom, we came down to this golden pocket right here, had a bullish divergence, boom, came right back up, right? And then when you start ranging like this, guys, this is good for trading. It's not the most exciting movement, when you zoom out, when you zoom out, it's kind of flat and boring, but when you're trading, guys, this could be good, right? This could be good. Let me pull up an empty chart here. Boom. Okay. Do I still have drawings on here? Oh boy, this is a little teaser for our last video, guys. This is a teaser for our last video. Recorded a video talking about... I'm not going to tease it yet. I'm not going to tease it just yet. But keep an eye out for hopefully an upload tomorrow afternoon. I kind of try to give you guys a very, very basic intro into a concept that, let's just say the whales don't like to advertise this. The whales don't want you to know this. But we go into it and we talk about it. It's interesting. It's a very basic level, surface level introduction to an advanced concept. I can make 10 videos about this concept and we'll probably make more, but this one was just a very, very baseline introduction to something that the whales don't want you to necessarily know. It's not a secret. You could research it and learn about it, but trust me, the whales aren't advertising this. Anyway. Let's go ahead and zoom in here. I totally forgot what we're doing, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh yeah, here we go. So when we're ranging like this, let's go ahead and let's grab our box here, right? Let's just say, boom. We kind of have like a new range now. I guess this is kind of our new range. I don't know what happened to my box, guys. Hang on, let me fix these. Let me fix these settings. Okay, there we go. I don't know why it defaults to purple, but so yeah, when you have a a range like this, I mean, it's beautiful. It is beautiful in its own regard, right? Because you could just short this, as you guys were just saying in chat. I've never had that many people say, "Hey, I shorted it, then I longed it, then I shorted it," right? So you can long it, short it, long it. Oh, got faked out. Then you long it back to the top of the range, short it back down, long it back up. So there's money to be made in these little ranges, guys, for sure. Just coming down to the lower time frames. Yeah, this baby. Yeah, interesting. Anyway. But yeah, guys, so let's go back to our main chart here so I can kind of talk about what we're expecting here. So finding support on top of this golden pocket now. Are we gonna do it again? Are we gonna do it again, guys? Is it possible that Bitcoin could be this predictable? I would say probably less likely to be this predictable, but guys, are we gonna do it again? Another BART and then back down. Is this really gonna happen again? It looks like it's setting up for it. It really does. Big rip up, boom, 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 down, right? And then a lot of times they make these diamond formations that are also bearish when they happen at resistance. But very, very interesting. We do have that spider line above us, just so you have some levels to watch. We have this spider line right here coming in at about 31,950, almost 32. And then, we have the golden pocket right here, obviously, coming in at about 31,275. And if we do wind up breaking down, we do have this high volume node at about 30,190. Or 30,200, we'll call it. So watching this stuff like a hawk, guys, it's hard to say what's going to happen, right now. Looking at the lower time frames, we do have... we do have the 15-minute VWAP curving back up here. Let's see, 10-minute curving back up. Let's check the half hour. Now, your half hour money flow is still generally coming out, right? So that is worth noting. 90-minute, yeah, 90-minute came into the red for a little bit. It's back in the green. Very interesting. So, yeah, let's check 1 hour. Let's check the 3 hour. Yeah, this 3 hour does not look that great, to be 100% honest with you. Money flow coming out aggressively here. We are getting a little bit of support, but once this VWAP rounds off, we might see this get dragged into the red. And then this might be what brings you down a little bit if we are going to break through the support and come down lower. But you guys got the levels. This is kind of what I'm thinking about Bitcoin here. Watching very closely to see if we're going to see another Bart Simpson pattern happen right up here, and we're going to dump right back down. But we are holding support as of right now on the golden pocket, but we were doing that up here as well, right? So, yeah, watching this thing like a hawk. I will say this. Yeah, 6 minute coming back down. I will say this. The 15-minute looks like you could get one more little pop up at that VWAP crosses over, possibly causing a head and shoulders on market cipher B. But yeah, so, finally some action. So there's some levels you guys can watch. If we break this level and come to the downside, kind of what I'm going to be looking for is a breakdown. If we don't stop off here or here, I will be looking down towards this spider line for a possible bounce back up. We kind of almost bounced on that spider line right there. We didn't quite get down there, but wild day, guys. Wild price action. Very volatile on the way up and the way down. Let's go ahead and check on my ETH short real quick. Yeah, up about 5%. This was much more in the green this morning, but I've already taken profit, so I'm not too worried about it. Now, speaking of Ethereum, let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum, guys, because Ethereum is actually... it's looking pretty bad, right? It's looking worse than Bitcoin for a few different reasons. And I'm going to start off here on the 16-hour, right? 16-hour has confirmed a red blood diamond. I don't know why I said a red blood diamond because they're all red. But confirmed 16-hour blood diamond looking pretty bad. 12-hour also confirmed blood diamond. If this decides to play out like the last blood diamond that we saw, I do, this one right here, I do think, this is going to have the possibility to bring us down definitely into the 1600s, if not maybe even the 1500s, because there's not much support right here, right? So if we do come down, it's probably going to be a pretty quick trip down to 1650. If we break that, probably going to be a pretty quick ride down into the 1500s. So based off of those blood diamonds, right now let's same thing though. 10 hour, the higher hourly time frames are looking good with the money flow. Nice little green dot here. Nice little green dot right here. Let's take a look at the lower time frames. 4 hour. Nice little trigger wave on the 4 hour. So yeah, not looking the worst, but those blood diamonds on the 12, we could easily get a pump before that 12-hour and 16-hour blood diamond play out if they're going to. Taking a look at the daily, got the green dot on the daily. However, already curving back down towards that zero line. So Ethereum is looking worse than Bitcoin, in my opinion. Now, if Bitcoin goes on a ripper, will Ethereum follow? Yeah, most likely. But however, you can't ignore those blood diamonds. It's definitely looking worse than Bitcoin, right? I almost added a little bit to my ETH short based off of that, but I decided to wait till the morning. And when I checked the chart this morning, the 16-hour blood diamond was not there anymore. I think it was, or maybe it was late last night. Not 100% sure, but you'll want to wait for these to confirm. Now that they're confirmed, I do, feel a little bit more confident about them playing out. But look at this blood diamond. This blood diamond played out big time. But these are kind of some levels I'm looking for. If we turn on the VPVR right here, and then, let's go to a higher time frame so we can get a little more price action in here. Now, I know this might be hard to see, but yeah, oh God, I wish, okay. So yeah, we don't have much. It's really hard to see, but we really don't have much between the bottom of this golden pocket and the top of this box right here. So if we break these levels, I think it's going to be it's going to be pretty quick move. If we lose this, it's going to be a pretty quick move down here. At about 1650. So there's some levels to watch on ETH. Definitely looking a little more bearish. Kind of what's keeping me in this trade, right? Now, yeah, up about 4.3%, and I would like to turn this into a little bit of a swing short if these blood diamonds are going to play out. But we'll have to see. Where we are at, macro support on Bitcoin and Ethereum too, sitting on top of that macro golden pocket. So, a little bit of a risky move holding this trade. I could just pull out right now for a nice, $100 gain. But we live life on the edge here. We live life on the edge. But notice, guys, I did take profits, right? I'm not just gambling my money. I don't want to be out here be like, oh, Frankie, holds his trades. Like, I'm not saying just hold your trades. I've already taken profit, and I also understand I watch my trades very closely. I have the blessing of being able to stare at the charts all day long for a living. So, I'm not like freaking out. When I can't look at the charts, I don't trade, right? When I do trade and I can look at the charts, I hold my trades, and I'm a very engaged. When I do trade, I'm very engaged, right? So, if this thing starts going super south, it's gonna be fine. I'm here. All right, let's go ahead. Doc Holiday says check the DXY. Let's actually just jump right into it. Taking a look at the DXY. Okay, all right. Let's go ahead and take a look-see here. Let's go to start off on the daily. Drink some of my water here. That's some good water. All right. Yeah, here we go. All right. The DXY. Yeah, getting okay. Where's the 4 hour? Was the 4 hour money flow coming up? Yeah, look at that. 4 hour money flow crossover. Coming back down, but that VWAP is going to round off and come back up. We may see the DXY come back up here a little bit, even if it's just for a short little ride back up to this resistance, or maybe even, this resistance. With this money flow crossover on the 4 hour, these are actually, these are not to be taken lightly, right? Last money flow crossover on the 4 hour brought you up a lot right here. Let's go ahead and measure it out. Boom, 4%, right, which is a pretty big move for something like the DXY. Your next crossover, you did get a dump here, but eventually that brought you up big time. So 4 hour crossover, 4 hour money flow crossover into the green is not the best thing for the DXY. And if this thing is going to come up and make higher highs, this little dump that we saw could make a lot of sense for us to have come down like this before having that crossover to come all the way back up. So we'll have to watch this thing like a hawk. Daily money flow in the green, VWAP above the 0 line. Let's check these higher time frames. It's hard. Yeah, it's hard. Yeah, you came into the red here on the 10 hour, but you're curving back up. Starting to curve back down, but generally curving up here. 12 hour, it looks like it wants to cross into the red. Yeah, it's hard to call. It's hard to call. But that 4 hour money flow crossover could give us a little pump on the DXY. Bitcoin could maybe come down for one more last leg down. And then, when these higher time frames decide that maybe this 12 hour decides to cross over, 16 hour decides to cross over, that's what pulls this thing down and gives Bitcoin that relief rally we've been looking for. Definitely possible. Definitely possible. And then taking a look at the SPY. Let's take a look here. Yeah, just kind of still hanging out in this range. Kind of just following. Same thing as Bitcoin. Boom, 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 boom. Wow. These are some serious W's. Just a bunch of W's in a row. Yeah, just kind of ranging here, guys, with the SPY. Not much to look at. But coming up here, let's look at the 4 hour. Yeah, money flow looking like it wants to cross over, getting the green dot on the 4 hour for the SPY, and the money flow coming up. This is looking, I mean, this 4 hour looks pretty bullish. Money, momentum waves coming up. Not looking too bad. 3 hours probably got the crossover. Yeah, not looking too bad, guys. The SPY looks like it could possibly, with that 4 hour money flow crossover, maybe we could pop over this resistance and start moving to some higher levels here and break out of this range. That would be nice. Looking at the higher time frames, same thing, similar to Bitcoin. Money flow coming up. Yeah, VWAP coming down. Same thing as Bitcoin. So yeah, I mean, generally, guys, money flow coming up on the higher time frames on the SPY, on Bitcoin, it doesn't look too bad. The question is just, when is this weird price action going to stop, and are we going to finally get that big move up? So, before we move on, guys, let's go ahead and check on chat and see what you guys are talking about. Let's see. Woo woo, let's go. The original power couple, Sean and Melissa Malone. Are you guys related to Posty, is the question. Are you guys related to Austin Post Malone? Let me know. Let's see. Crypto Squash, what is going on? Thank you for being here, man. I appreciate you. Small Town Titans, Wick, what's going on, Wick? Small Town Titans does a good cover of Fat Bottom Girls. They make the rockin' world go round, All right, I don't know what kind of conversation I walked into there. Frankie, love the work. Hey, this is from Josh. Shout out to Josh. Welcome to the CandleMafia, my man. Frankie, love the work. What's the word on... Josh, at the end of the stream, or a little further into the stream, we're actually not too far away here. We are going to jump into the alts. I'll take some requests. And hey, just because I don't necessarily... I think you might be new. Correct me if I'm wrong, but if you're new, hey, maybe I'll just kind of take your request first. But thank you for being here, man. It's blowing up. Okay, yeah, we'll take a look at that in just a minute here when we start looking at the alts. We are not going to visit 28, 29 for sure. Troll Warlords Wiki says we're not going down to 28 or 29. So I guess you are assuming that we are going to start this relief rally now. This could be the start of the relief rally, and I think you could be right. I don't, I don't have any strong feelings one way or the other. There's a lot of mixed signals, but I do feel like this relief rally for the 500th time is gotta be around the corner. I mean, this thing is just... Where is this thing? We need to get some kind of relief, and we're just not seeing it. Every time we pump, the gains just get eaten right back up. Check out the sell wall in Discord for ADA. Okay, Wombat Gaming. I'll check that out. But yeah, Troll. Yeah, I don't think I think that could be possible. I do think that could be possible. Mickey Snellen, I knew you were in here. Do you ever use the trailing stop on Femex? Mickey, I don't. I typically manually trail my stop loss. But no, not for any specific reason. I've just never really used it. Like I said, I'm a very engaged trader. When I do trade, I'm very, very active. So anytime I want to move my stop up, I will trail my stop myself. So, man, maybe we'll make a video about the trailing stop loss. I'll actually use it and then let you guys know how it goes. Let's see. Don't ever assume you know what Bitcoin is doing. Chusei Crypto. I'm pinning that. Chusei, where'd you go? Thank you for that, Chusei. I think, I don't know, I said this recently, but you want to have zero emotion, guys. You don't want to be too sure it's going to go one way or the other, because it shocks, it has shocked us in the past and will continue to shock us. And we had Crypto Lifer on the morning stream, on the BitBoy Crypto morning stream today. This is why I love Lifer, man, because he understands, like, he's been in the game for a long time. He's been in the game a lot longer than I have, but he knows what he's doing, but he understands, and like, I find that a lot of people don't really understand this, and I don't get how. They get overly emotional, like, there's no way we're breaking this golden pocket. There's no way we're going lower. If you say, I don't think we're going lower, like, that's one thing, but it's the people who are like, there's no way, there's too much adoption, there's too much interest, there's no way it's going lower, we've already come down, like, you don't know anything. You might have things that make you believe that could be possible, but there's nothing that anybody can ever know unless, like, you have some insider information into who Satoshi is or something like that, or insider info into a company, something like that. you can't know Bitcoin's not going to break, the golden pocket. I love when people say that. They're like, there's no way. It's impossible. There's no way we're going under that. And I'm like, you know how many times someone said that and then the opposite happens? Like you don't know anything. You have to be non-deterministic, right? Like you can't just be completely confident. If you find yourself going, there's no way. I know this is going to happen. You might be right the first time, the second time. Heck, you might be right 4 times in a row. But eventually, you're going to get wrecked really hard, right? It's like these people. Yeah. No, Bitcoin's going to new all-time highs by July, or Bitcoin's going to new all-time highs by November, whatever the month is. And then, November, whatever month comes around, there's no all-time highs. You don't hear from them. And then, and then you get a little pump, a tiny little pump, and they go, yeah, watch, you ready? There's going to be all-time highs. There's going to be all-time highs. And then it's like it goes down. You don't hear from them. And then that one day when their all-time high happens, they'll be like, see, told you. It's just people like that are just like, I don't know what it is. It's like, I think they're like overly obsessed with like wanting to be like, I told you so. I'm not like that. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna be like, hey guys, I was wrong. I'm not never, I look at the information and I relay it to you guys. If there's nothing wrong with leaning a certain way, right? You might be, I'm leaning more bullish or I'm leaning more bearish, and that's fine. Even if you want to be emotional about it, there's no way we're going down. But as long as you like really in the back, like as long as you truly understand that, like you don't know, like anything can happen. As long as you understand anything can happen, then you're gonna be fine. But you just don't want to be too confident. So shout out to Chusei Crypto. You're pinned up there, man. I'm leaving that for the rest of the stream because I think a lot of people need to know that. Let's see. Crypto Anon says, what do you think about a possible cup and handle on the lower time frames? I assume you mean for Bitcoin. Let's check it out. On the lower time frames, let's take a look. Something like this. Hey, Crypto Anon, I'm pretty sure this is what you're looking at. Hey man, that makes sense to me. That looks like, yeah, I mean, hey man, you could be right. That looks pretty good to me. We watch this, because that could be a nice cup and handle. But yeah. Also, guys, just want to kind of point this out because this is a pretty clear example. Came up, right, on a big move, right? A big, quick move up here. Let me actually get rid of this stupid range. Okay. I just want to point this out to you guys. We came up in this big move, right? Quick move to the upside, right? And then we Bart Simpson, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, and then quick move to the downside. And then bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, and then quick move to the upside. I want you guys to focus on these quick moves, right? Boom, boom, boom. Now I will exhibit A. Quick move, quick move, quick move, exhibit A. All these quick moves, right? Exhibit B. Giant gap in the volume, right? Now what happens if we circle this big gap in the volume? We get all these candles right here. So a lot of times when you see this big gap in volume, right, where you don't have these long, candles coming out, these long volume candles coming out, and you have this big kind of black hole, this big gap in the volume. Typically, if price is stuck underneath one of these levels, when you break out into this low volume area where you have this big gap in volume, you do get quick moves to the upside. There's nothing in the way for price to just shoot up or shoot down, depending on what's happening. And we saw this play out 3 times, right? You could even like mark the levels, right? So you put the line here, boom, your level right here, right? And then boom, 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 boom. You finally break out of this level into this low volume area, and that's it. You're off to the races, right? And where do you stop? Boom. You stop right here on this high volume node right here, right? And then boom, boom, boom. And then once you break out of this high volume node, once you break that level, pay attention to my horizontal line on my crosshairs. Once you break that level, boom, right, you fall right through this hole. And then same thing, boom, 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 boom. You're stuck underneath these volume bars right here. Boom, 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 boom. Watch my horizontal line on my crosshairs to the right. Once you break out through this level, boom, you're off to the races, straight move up. So the VPVR could be good, for kind of trying to pick out where these fast moves will happen. Just wanted to point that out because that was a very, very good, example of it. All right, let's see. Crypto Anon, that looks good to me, man. That looks like that could form. We'll keep an eye on it for sure. Let's see. FOMC meeting, CPI data, and options expiry are three factors that dictate where we're moving. Bonilla 420. You're not wrong, brother. You're not wrong. All right, you guys really, all right, maybe, is this thing really going nuts? UNFI? Let's go check it. Let's check it out. Thanks for the TA on ETH yesterday. Russell Gardner, no problem. I got you, brother. Let's see. Can dig up a bullish and bearish scenario but they will be offset if the Fed says otherwise. This ain't 2021 anymore. It's 2022. Bonilla, yeah, absolutely. You guys want to remember when something like this happens, anything, with the Fed or these worldly macroeconomic factors happen, they're kind of going to overpower what we see on the charts. But, a lot of people argue, show me the news or show me the charts, I'll tell you the news or whatever that saying is. But yeah, you want to keep in mind, right? If you got a bunch of bullish divergences on the 4 hour and then something really bad happens in the world, chances are, we get another March 2020. Doesn't matter how many bullish divergences there are or how much money flow is coming up. You're just going to see that thing flip right back down. So you want to remember that. Jeb calls it the rolling ball resistance or something like that. Okay, interesting. I've been dabbling in futures trading on KuCoin. What is the advantages to trading margin versus futures? Crypto Rob, this gets into this is pretty, what's the word I'm looking for? Intricate. I just made a video. God, I make so many videos that I don't even really know which one it was. We just covered it in a KuCoin video, I believe, the difference between margin and futures. It's quite complicated. Not complicated, but it's not very clear. No. It's not that it's not clear. It's hard to explain. But we just put a video out about it. Maybe I think it's in the last KuCoin video, possibly. Also one of the ones that you need to watch for the giveaway. But yeah, go check that video out because I think we do explain it in there. I haven't done a lot of margin trading. I trade futures, right? But it's very hard to explain. But check out our video. We do explain it in a video. Let's see. Not just that, also the European Central Bank raising rates in Europe. Yep. I heard about that chemistry, bro. Okay. All right, I see you, Mark. UNFI. All right, let's just go check on it. This thing better be going nuts, man. UNFI. Okay, that's not... Okay, let's see. Coinbase, let's see it. Oh, baby! Okay. All right, Mark, you're, okay. All right. I said it better be pumping. It's pumping. It's definitely pumping. Okay. Let's see. Jimmy Two Shoes. Shout out to Jimmy Boyd. I love you, brother. He says Tyler Durden, the Neo of the Frankie Candle stream, just went up another 75%. Who's got what is this? What is this? Interesting. Better question. Do they have it on KuCoin? Oh, no leverage, guys. I'm kidding. Don't be like that. Don't be like, do they have it on leverage? Like a junkie. But no. Yeah. I mean, this thing is, whoo, baby. What happened? What is this? Is this like a meme coin? What is this? It's got like 4 million supply. It's a pump and dump. Yeah, that's what it looks like, a meme coin. I don't know anything about it. KuCoin futures trading. We go into 33K tonight, flat smack. Hey, I hope so. That'd be lit. What do you think of longing Solana and taking profit at $42? We'll take a look at that when we look at the alts in just a second here. I just checked that too. Jesus, that's a 15x. Yeah, what is going on? What is this thing? Hang on, let's go. let's go ahead and let's get to the bottom of this. What is this thing? Let's see. UNFI. Unify Protocol DAO. Okay, interesting. What is this thing? The live Unified Protocol DAO price today. Interesting. I'll look into this. This seems like meme pumpy, but it's on Coinbase? That doesn't seem right. This seems like a BSC meme coin. I don't know. I don't know. I genuinely don't know anything about this, so I can't really make a call on this. But this, yeah. Oh, here. Looks like something someone needs to put the zipper down on. It's a DAO. Flat smack the bottom is not in. Save your dry power. I think it's a DeFi. Interesting. UFI had Frankie shook. Yeah, Jesus. I did not think that was going to happen. I'm not going to lie, guys. This is going to keep me up at night that I didn't know about this, and I didn't buy it, and I didn't make $1 bazillion on it. It's going to keep me up at night. I'm just going to say. I don't like seeing bumps that I'm not in on. You know what I'm saying? It's a little bit irritating. Why couldn't I have seen this? I'm just kidding. Yeah, absolutely. Mark, shout out to Mark. I thought you were trolling, man. I thought you just wanted me to look at your alt, but Mark, you are now solidified as I will take your word anytime you say anything. So you have proven yourself for sure. You say it's pumping, it's pumping. I believe you. I believe you. But yeah, I don't really know. Not much I can really say about this. You do have the 15-minute VWAP somehow below the zero line, looking to cross up. So maybe this thing just keeps going. There's not much I can do here. This thing's going ballistic. TA's out the window at this point. Let's see. Yeah, but look at the market cap. Oh, the market cap, you say? What do you mean the market cap? The market cap's not even important. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. Market cap, $123 million. Okay. Circulating supply. What's the supply? What is the supply? Circulating supply, $4.3 million. Total supply, 8.6 million. Max supply, 10 million. Interesting. Very interesting. I'll have to look into that. I don't know anything about this. So anyway, wow. CoinMarketCap only has 262 followers on Twitter. Or maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Anyway, guys, let's move on here. Yeah, it's only 4 million supply. Interesting. I'd be taking profits if I were you, Mark. At least what you put in at 2x and leave the rest. Pretty good advice there, Ivan. What is up with ADA? Let's take a look at it right now. Whale Games, Captain Kirk, I see you. This is like PLD the other day. Check the PLD price movement over the last week. Okay, PLD, and then we're going to look at ADA. I mean, hey, guys, we're at an hour. I actually do have to get off a little early today, guys. We got 600 people in chat, though. You guys might just keep me here. Shout out to everybody in here. Guys, smash that like button. Let's go for 550 likes if you guys want a chance to win one of these special editions Frankie Candles hats or some Cardano NFTs. I don't know how many we're going to give away, but we're aiming for 20. So every 100 likes we get, you guys get a spin on the wheel. Every time we make a spin on the wheel, you guys get 2 chances to win a giveaway. So smash up the like button if you want. We're giving away a lot of NFTs, so there's a good chance that you guys win. So the more likes, the more chances you guys have to win. So smash it up, people. Smash it up. Hello, CandleMafia and Frankie Candles. Eric Ward, welcome back to the stream. I'm on one tonight, baby. We're on one. I think I'm a little amped up about our call yesterday. I was happy about that because I wasn't like really super confident because the price action's been weird. And then I got home and it was just like boo, dumpski, caking in, baby. Like we were red green. I got home, we were up hundreds of dollars. It was a good time. I hope some of you guys were able to hop in there with me. I want to rep a Frankie Candles cap. Chusei, let's go. I already know you liked and commented on both those videos. So shout out to you, Chusei. I appreciate you being here, man. Just taking 10K. Thanks, Frankie and CandleMafia. Wait, Mark, you just took 10K in profit? Is that what you're saying? Just taking 10K. Let's go. Crypto Pollo, I appreciate you, my man. First time here. Awesome stuff. Hey, Ivandro. Welcome to the Candle Mafia, my man. Somebody stole my money. Unbelievable, guys. You can't trust anybody. Well, shout out to you, man. Welcome to the Candle Mafia. And on this channel, I show you how to trade and make money trading. I forgot my slogan. I help you make money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down. That's right. When we crash, we make money. When we pump, we make money. Why would you not want to be on that side of crypto? Welcome to the Candle Mafia, my man. Buckle up and hit that subscribe button because we're here every single day doing 2 hours of TA every single day. Except for today, I might get off a little bit early. I got to go record that video for BitBoy Crypto. And then Thursday might be rough too, guys. I might do like an hour because it's going to be like my 4th show of the day. So I might do maybe 1 hour. But if you guys know me at all, I'm going to say I'm leaving early, and I'm probably just going to stay the full hour. I don't think, but yeah, today I might get off a little bit early. But anyway, let's go ahead and check on our, I know, ADA gang. Light up the chat if you guys are part of the ADA gang or XRP Army. I don't know. I know you guys always go back and forth, but here we are on the 15-minute for Cardano on the daily chart. Here we go. Tweaking, guys. I'm tweaking. All right, let's see here. Boom, boom. Okay. VWAP over that zero line with the money flow coming up. The daily doesn't look horrible. That VWAP is probably going to bring you down a little bit here. Looking at the 16-hour, looking the same as Bitcoin, right? As far as market cipher B, this thing looks basically, yeah, exactly like Bitcoin. But here you are. Interesting, interesting. You do have 2 green dots on the weekly here for Cardano. Could be close to the bottom here, guys. Could be close. But basically the same signals as Bitcoin here. In the environment that we're in right now with this market, most things are going to just follow Bitcoin, right? So you want to keep that in mind. You know, if Bitcoin decides to dump, everything else is going to follow, especially, you know, this is in general, really, but especially right now. So you want to keep that in mind. Let's take a look at the lower time frames. Actually, look at the 3 hours, see if the money flow is coming out. Yeah. See, the 3 hours, you're a bearish case here on a lot of these coins, on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, and on Cardano as well. This money flow in the 3 hour coming out, I don't like. You do have the VWAP coming down almost at the same time, so sometimes that can act as a bit of a bigger move. Oh, gosh, this is the 3 hour. Yeah. A little bit of a possible bearish divergence that could form here as well. If you go from here to here, could be printing a bearish divergence here on Cardano. If you print that red dot, you're going to want to wait for that red dot to print on the momentum wave and confirm. And for anybody watching that does not have market cipher and you can't afford it, whatever it is, I know it's expensive. If you want to find these divergences, you can do this with the RSI in the same exact way. You don't need market cipher B to find these divergences. You can use the RSI, but, excuse me, instead of having the lower high on market cipher B, you would just look for the lower high on your RSI, right? So same thing, works the same way, but instead of using the blue waves, you're using the RSI line. Same thing. But yeah, printing a possible bearish divergence here could bring you down quite a bit here. Red dot on your 1 hour. Money flow kind of flat. 90-minute coming down with that red dot. Let's see. Yeah, VWAP coming down, printing that red dot. Let's look at the lower time frames. 15-minute, yeah, coming down. Let's talk levels here, guys. Let's talk levels here. Yeah, I mean, you're bouncing perfectly right off of this point of control, or this high volume node right here. If you break a little bit lower, you do have this Fibonacci level at about 60 cents. And yeah, just at about 60 cents. And if you break that, I would say this, you do have a pretty golden pocket down here at about 58 cents. I would expect to hold that if we come down. Whoops. So yeah, let's see. Actually, let's pull from here to there. Okay. And let's see from here to there. Okay. Yeah, I would watch this golden pocket. If you do wind up making your way back down to this golden pocket, I'd be watching to hold support on here. But, nonetheless, not looking too bad for Cardano. Looking the same as Bitcoin, which is why, if you guys haven't noticed, I've been spending a little less time on the altcoins, just because they all look the same, right? I don't want to bore you guys. And, they're basically all going to look the same, and they're all going to follow Bitcoin very closely. And like I said, especially right now. Let's see. Yes, Daddy Zach, I do. Yeah, Vu Manchu marks the divs for you. Yeah, you're right. You're right. That is a decent feature of that indicator. If you guys don't know, Vu Manchu is a market cipher lookalike. I don't talk about it a lot on. I don't really talk about it a lot on the channel. But I just don't want to try to pass off Vu Manchu as market cipher B. Vu Manchu is not market cipher B or market cipher A. I know they have the divergent. They have the market cipher B and the market cipher A. It's not the same. With that being said, and listen, I know this because I've looked at them side by side. I have access to the real one. Obviously, I have access to the free one. They're very similar. They're very similar. But there are some key differences, right? There's a lot of times people using Vu Manchu will call out signals on market cipher A that are not on the real market cipher A. So you want to be careful about that. And the biggest thing for me is the money flow is botched on Vu Manchu. That is the one thing that killed me about markets about Vu Manchu is the money flow is not it. It's just not. But with that being said, by no means am I saying it's a useless indicator or you shouldn't use it. I'm not saying that at all. I've used it before. If you can afford market cipher, and you want to start off trying to look at an indicator and read an indicator that's very similar to market cipher, maybe check out Vu Manchu because it is similar and it does give similar signals, but it is not the same. I don't want you guys to get it twisted, but I'm also not saying it's a bad indicator that you shouldn't use. So yeah, I'm not saying you can't use it or it's horrible. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying it's not exactly the same. Because I've gone from that to the real one, and they are very different. But it doesn't mean you can't use it and be successful with Vu Manchu. I'm not saying that. So if you're using Vu Manchu and it's working for you, then that's fine. That's great. I'm not saying it's bad. I'm just saying it is it is different. Just want to point that out. ETH falling fast. ETH falling fast? No, feet. Oh, yeah, baby. Let's go. I know. I was looking at this. I was like, Cardano's dumping a little bit. Let's go, baby. Let's not even look at the chart. Let's go straight to the trade. Let's go! Let's go, baby. Where's my money? I'm getting my money. Stay right there. I'll be right back. We're breaking out the money gun. We're breaking out the money gun, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Ow! I just got a splinter, I think. Yes, Bagnadov twins. I don't know how to say their names. Dump it. Dump it. Let's go. Load up the money gun, baby. Load up the money gun. We're going to be here till 2 in the morning tonight cleaning. Let's go! We're pumping, baby. I mean, we're dumping, but the Frankie Candles live stream is pumping. Let's go. Let's go. Just when you start to get nervous that your short is going to get stopped out at break even, you go ahead and thing just dumps. The thing just dumps. Let's go. All right, look at that, guys. We're back alive. We are back in action. We are back in the action. Let's go. Let's go. There we go, baby. Let's just go ahead and take a look at the charts here. Oh, baby. Oh, wait, what? Oh, yeah, we were at 31. Yeah, baby, let's do it. Look at that. Beautiful. Exactly as I predicted. Now, guys, we like to have fun on the stream, guys. I don't want to be like too... I'm having fun, guys. You don't want to be like, I'm not like really like so excited that my trade is up 25%. I'm just having fun on the stream here. With that being said, guys, I do want to just mention, you never want to be too, you never want to be too excited when you win, and you never want to be too depressed when you lose, right? It's really important. I know I just ran around because we're winning right now. And again, I'm having fun for the stream, but in all realness, you don't want to get too lost in your wins and too lost in your losses, right? Because you want to keep emotion out of it. Really inside, I'm just like, okay, cool, we're up now. That's fine. That's normal. I'm whatever. But damn, I really hurt my leg there. Anyway, but yeah, we're having fun. But just so you guys know, like anytime I do this, we're having fun. We're throwing money. Like I celebrate your wins, but like don't get too high on your wins because then when you get a loss, you're gonna feel really bad about it. But yeah, nonetheless, here we go. Let's speaking of exactly as I predicted, let's go ahead and pull up. Let's pull up the Frankie BTC. Oh, what's up? What the? I didn't even know Tony D had access to this channel. I thought this was only for me, Frankie Candles, to go on. And Tony D infiltrated our BTC TA channel here and put a bunch of flame emojis. What are you trying to say here? Are you trying to say we're fire with the calls? I think that is what he's trying to say. But no, in all realness, guys, I just want to point out, here we are, 12:08 a.m., guys. Find me another YouTuber that is so dedicated that he works a 13-hour day, does a 2-hour live stream every single day, and then goes home and hangs out in his Discord and leaves leaves their community off with some TA at 12 a.m. I'm kidding. Maybe some other people out there do. I bet your lifer does that. I bet you. I'm not saying. I'm not trying to. We're not bragging. I'm just messing around, guys. But last night before I went to bed, I did just want to hop in here and give you guys a little bit more of an idea of what happened, right? So this, this was yesterday. I was saying I do just like to touch in on the Discord in case some people watching aren't in the Discord yet. Show you guys what you might be missing out on. By the way, it's free. I don't know a lot of people doing this for free, but welcome to the CandleMafia. Anyway, hey everyone, things are still looking a bit bullish at the moment. It looks like it's likely that we hit our first target, might run into some turbulence at the spider line, but it's likely that we hit this area. Looking at the spider, where is it? Possible on the 1 hour slice. Possible, okay, here. Okay. Possible short opportunity with the next money flow crossover on the 15-minute into the red and the 4-hour VWAP crossing down, as well as a possible bearish divergence that could form on the 1 hour are somethings I'm looking at for possible entries. Hashtag not financial advice. Guys, we don't give signals. But I like to let you guys know what's going on. I'm not saying they're not signals. But let's see. Let's go back. Let's just go to the Bitcoin chart and see. Ooh, big bounce. Let's come back and let's look at that 4-hour VWAP crossover, and we'll see what happened. Let's see. Boom. We'll go to the 4-hour VWAP crossover. We'll come to the 15-minute. And, money flow crossover was right here. But this is what I was looking for to enter. And then we got a little pump, took a little bit of a ride, but then boom, we dumped down. And then, yeah, obviously shorts are now in profit, blah, blah, blah. But last night I was saying, I wanted to talk about this for a minute because this is kind of important. So I said, so that 4-hour, 15-minute strategy really played out well. Right now we have the 8-hour red dot on the we have the 8-hour red dot and the 30-minute getting closer to crossing over into the red. Because of this, it's looking a little more bearish. We also have red dots printing on the 6-hour and the 10-hour. As far as levels I'm watching, we are bearishly retesting the golden pocket at about 29,545. If we continue down, I will be looking at the spider line at this price, whatever, blah blah blah, right? But let me pull this up for you guys because I think this is important. Wow. Well, hang on. This is some volatility. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. This is why you don't over celebrate. Boom. We just went from $150 profit to $75 profit. What is this? What is this price action? This is the scammiest price action I've ever seen. It's all a scam, guys. Bitcoin's a scam. Dude, BTC going to pump? Yeah, Jonathan Schaefer, it just dumped and now it's pumping. And it might just dump again. I don't know. This price action's sketchy. Taken along at 31,735. BTC is having a seizure. That's what it seems like. Up, down, up, down. I don't know. Absolutely insane. But let me point this out, guys. I do want to show you this. When you have the 8-hour, obviously this is coming back up, but you have the 8-hour coming, kind of like our 4-hour, 15-minute strategy. You could kind of see this play out sometimes with the 8-hour coming down and the 30-minute crossing into the red, which did happen right here. But yeah, it's kind of hard to focus on that when this weird price action is happening. Big old bounce. Big old bounce. What is going on? I mean, that could be your cup and handle right there. Again, not a big cup and handle guy, not a big head and shoulders guy, but that looks like a cup and handle to me. I mean, you don't got to be a TA expert to know that that looks like a cup and a handle. There you go. I don't know what that looks like. Is that your cup and handle to the upside? Did I miss my 30-second opportunity to pull some profit out of this trade? Maybe. But hey, at least you guys will watch me lose instead of you losing yourself. But we're not losing yet. We're not losing yet. I'm going to still hold this. Cup and handle on the 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, same thing. Same thing as the lower time frames. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Definitely possible, guys. Definitely possible. Let's see. I haven't touched a computer in years. Lol, don't blame me. Satoshi Nakamoto himself in chat, guys. Go show him some love. 552 people in here. Smash up that like button, guys. If you want to, we got to get those spins on the wheel so we can give away 20 NFTs. I don't know what we're at. Tony, if you can let me know where we are at with our NFTs or Anon, somebody put it in chat and let me know. Chemistry Bro goes, Sammy cup and handy to the upside. Lifer's cup and handles are on point. Yeah, I was watching him the other day and I heard him say that. I love when he says it. It's so funny. He puts on like the announcer voice and plays, I don't know, he plays like a sound effect. Sammy cup and handy to the upside. I like that. I love that. From what I've seen, 7 NFTs, guys. We're giving 7 NFTs away so far. If we get 550 likes, I'll give you guys 10 spins on the wheel. Because I want to get this to 20. Let's give away 20 NFTs this week. Let's go. I think we're going to hit 17K subscribers, so let's have some fun this week. I was watching Lifer. He seems to be a big pattern guy. He likes wedges, cup and handles, head and shoulders, and he crushes. It seems like he crushes it. So shout out to Lifer. Dude, collab? Let's do it. Let's do it, brother. Lifer, if you're out there, if you're hearing this, man, let's collab, dude. Let's collab. Let's do it, man. I think the communities want it. The communities want it. I just feel like, I don't know. Lifer's got those good vibes, man. He just seems like a good dude. He probably, he's on the top of my list right now for collabs. He's the man. He's definitely the man. I like crypto. Flat Smack says he likes crypto. Me too, man. Me too. What is going on? I just can't watch this. I can't watch this price action. I can't do it. 1805 ETH. What are you doing? What is happening? I don't know, guys. I don't know. You guys want answers. I don't have the answers. I don't know what is, like, Bitcoin's having a seizure. I think that's what's happening. Blessed Auto Group says, Frankie, just look at BTC right now. Price moves are insane. Lol, some light, please. Blessed Auto Group, I don't know, dude. This price action's weird. I will say this. Overall, now with the crazy price action like this, it's very, very hard to kind of predict what's going to happen here. It makes sense to have to come up, right? You have the higher hourly time frames coming up, right? Smooth money flow coming up. Momentum waves coming up beautifully. This, I'm just going to put this on record. Whether we pump or we dump, I don't care. I'm going to say it. This looks good. This looks money flow, curvature to the upside is beautiful. Momentum waves stair-stepping their way up beautifully. The only thing I don't like about it is the VWAP coming down. Your yellow VWAP wave coming down. That could drag us down a little bit, but eventually we're going to get that crossover. This looks bullish. This looks good. It looks like we're done dumping and we could come up. Now, if we dump, it is what it is. But I'm just going to say, from a technical perspective, from a basic market cipher perspective, that looks bullish. So if we get a pump from here, I wouldn't be surprised. But with with the 16-hour VWAP coming down, the 10-hour VWAP coming down, or I'm sorry, the 16-hour, the 12-hour, printing that little trigger wave with the red dot right there, that doesn't look the best. Granted, the money flow is coming up beautifully, as we were saying, on the 16-hour and the 12-hour. This could bring us down for one more last leg, possibly before getting that crossover. So I'm going to say there is mixed signals. You got the 8-hour VWAP coming up, the 10-hour VWAP coming up. You're printing green dots. That's bullish, right? So maybe you come up in the short term. It's really hard to say right now. But my short is on ETH, right? My short is on ETH. And with the 12 and the 16-hour blood diamonds confirmed, I feel comfortable holding my ETH short for a little bit longer. And listen, if the blood diamond gets invalidated, we come up and I get stopped out at break even, I'm not worried about it. I'll make a small amount of money, whatever. I don't even lose. I'm going to make a small amount of money. So with the 12 and 16-hour blood diamonds, I feel comfortable holding my ETH shorts. But for Bitcoin, it is a little harder to read because we're not getting the blood diamonds, but you are getting the red dots, right? So kind of a similar story. I want to say I'm leaning for a move down. I'm not saying a lower low. It doesn't have to be a lower low, but I am leaning towards a move down before the relief rally. There's evidence for both sides, guys. There is evidence for both sides. I'm comfortable holding my shorts. So I guess you could say I'm leaning a little more bearish, but it is really hard to say because we just saw that pump today. The fact that we got those gains eaten up that quickly is a little sketchy, but now that we popped back over this support, and we're holding it, that could be a good sign. And this cup and handle, this whole cup and handle theory could play out beautifully. That was a good crypto anon. That was a good call, man. Let's see. I made profit and lost also in 5 minutes, lol, but didn't lose at all. Let's go, Levy. Let's go. Did UNFI go higher? Looked crazy as it was earlier. Yeah, it's going up. It's cranking. Let's see. Chemistry Bro says, just got the bearish retest of the resistance, though going back up. Yeah, interesting. Yo, WTF. Gold did the same thing. Did it? Don't tell me gold did the same thing. What the heck? Yeah, I don't, did it? No, I don't think it did. Nah. This? No. I don't think it did the same thing. No, I don't. Nah. Doesn't look like it. Am I looking at the wrong gold is the question. Back to 31. This is exciting price action, guys. 15-minute bull hammer? Let's look. This will be a good lesson if they're... Yeah, okay. 15-minute bull hammer. Eesh. I'd like to see the body a little higher for a bull hammer. But technically your wick is longer on the... I would consider this a bullish doji candle. I don't know. I like to see bullish hammers form like this. I'd like to see a bullish hammer like this, right? Your body and then your wick, right? Where this one is kind of, body, wick. It's like a little longer on the bottom. But... I mean, this, or maybe you're talking about this one. Yeah, this looks a little more like a bullish hammer, but it's kind of a big body. I don't know. Kind of hard to say. There. I see what you're saying. Jonathan, I see what you're saying. This kind of looks like a bull hammer. I would like to see that upper wick a little lower, though. Yeah, it is a fight to the death right now. It is bears versus bulls right now, guys. Ooh, baby, this might be the retest. Are we gonna... Oh, baby, this is exciting. Guys. Okay. All right, about to get a nice little trigger wave on the 10-minute here with that green dot. Money flow looking like it wants to come down. I don't know which way to lean here, guys. On regular candles... Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. I mean, it's definitely. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's looking more. Oh, baby, this is wild. Chemistry, bro. It's a hammer on normal candles, Frankie. Just not Heiken's. Yeah. I was just up 3K and stopped out all in 2 minutes. WTF. Crypto Anon with the big boy trades. Let's go, Anon. Let's go. Frankie, check out the daily standard camel. Standard candles. That's a hammer. Oh, you're looking at the daily. I'm looking at the 15-minute. Yeah, it looks like a hammer. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look. Oh yeah, baby. That's what I want to see. This is what I want to see for a hammer. There you go. Nice and high up, right? You do have the top wick, but that's normal. That is a bullish hammer. I mean, well, who knows how it's going to close? But we got 53 minutes to close this. That is looking like a pretty strong bullish hammer. If you guys don't know, obviously, this candle does look kind of like a hammer. They call this a bullish hammer. Basically, what's happening here is price was pushed all the way down, and then the bulls ate it all back up, and that is a bullish candle, right? The fact that we came down and everything got, everything got bought right back up. That is a bullish candle right there. It is like the opposite of a shooting star candle, which is a bearish candle, which you can see here on the weekly chart, and we will take a look at that. Boom! This is a shooting star candle. Whoa. Shooting star candle, right? You have a big wick to the upside, and then it settles on the bottom. It's basically an upside down bullish hammer, showing that the bulls tried to push it up, and then the bears just slammed it back down. Bearish reversal candle, right? And then the bullish hammer is a bullish reversal candle, right? So they're kind of opposite. So there you go, flicking the sauce at you guys. Shout out to everybody who pointed out those hammers. Thank you. Anon, savage, up 3K and stopped out in profit. Stopped out all in 2 minutes. That is crazy, brother. It all pumped after Yellen spoke. Oh no, that long wick was crypto face selling, possibly. Don't mind me, bro. I wasn't even part of the convo. It just reminded me of the comments I get on my IG. Came in the middle of nowhere. Tyler, how do I find you? Best time to make a stream. Yeah, bing bong. Let's go, baby. Bing bong. Yeah, guys, we are getting that. We are getting the action. We are getting that action right now. Whoo, baby, what exciting time to be alive. What an exciting time to be alive. Hey, look at that. We haven't seen this. Ethereum crossing into the red on the weekly. Interesting. Let's go back to regular candles. Heiken candles, not regular candles. Now, guys, I do want to let's go. Okay, can we just come here? I hopped in here last night, and I actually put in here. I said just checked in here for the first time in a minute. You guys are savage. Let's go. Absolutely crushing it. Congrats on all the killer trades and great work, guys. Shout out to the CandleMafia in our Discord, guys. Have been crushing it. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start covering these on the stream to kind of give you guys who are out there actually trading and making gains, to give you guys a little bit of, give you guys the appreciation and the congrats that you guys deserve right here on stream. And I think we'll do it like once a month, and I'll just kind of run through and see what we got. So proud of myself. Called short down, then long up. Only day 3 actually trading. So, Mr. Lubberwort, jeez. Day 3 of trading, and he's up 76% on one trade of a short and then longed it back up for 134%. Man, you just might be a natural. Tyler Durden, our wonderful mod. Shout out to Tyler. Thank you for everything you do. Coming up here with a nice 15% gain on Matic. Congrats, Tyler. Let's get it. Carlo up 122% on a nice Ethereum short. Shout out to you, my man, out there crushing it. Salty up 68%. Nice win. Chuck Smith with a nice 192% short on Bitcoin. Nice moves, everybody. 33% for Black Diamond. Let's get it. Tyler Durden coming in with a nice 15%er on a nice near protocol short. Let's go. Tyler's out here. Tyler's out here modding. He's out here sending links faster than anybody else could. And he's also crushing trade. Let's go. Black Diamond with a nice little scalp for 12% on Bitcoin there. Nice. ICP, good call, Frankie. Not financial advice, but it made sense. Oh my God. He called ICP. I think he's talking. I said you could probably short ICP at any moment and get away with it. And there you go, up 80%. CT 562. Let's go, man. Congratulations. Nice work. 24% for Hellark. Let's go. Nice little Bitcoin short. And another 22% short. Let's go. Chris Schaefer. What is going on? Look at that. 167% on a nice Bitcoin short. Let's go. Holy leverage Batman. Oh yeah, what is where's his leverage at? Where's his leverage at? I'm blind. Oh, I thought it said your leverage here. No? I might be blind. I can't find it. Anyway, just closed out some trades from the dump that just happened. 71% for Daywolf. Let's go, Daywolf. Al with a 542%, making moves, 125x short. Let's go. Absolutely savage. I never recommend trading with 125x leverage, but Al, it seems like you know what you're doing. It doesn't show the leverage. Okay. It did show on Binance, I guess it does. 178% for Dalgos. Bubala, 204%. Let's go. Nice short on Bitcoin. And then just yesterday, 144% to Don. Let's go. Shorten Bitcoin like you should be. Let's get it. And then we got a couple more here. Recognize one of these names down here. Me Crab, 156%. This is child's play. Let's get it. And Rob the Crypto Snob forgot to share this last night. 31%. Let's go for that soul short. Congratulations. And, oh, look at this. Gray Sky, 220% on a Bitcoin short. And then look at that. He longed it right back up for almost the same amount of gains. Let's go. Guys, I still have no idea how to put my gains in here. Oh, boom. Everybody's popping them in now. Let's go. Alpzen, I don't know how to say your name. Like I said, best times to make a stream. Bing bong. Let's go. 104% long. Are you guys doing this as we're live? Just making these trades, throwing them in the winner's circle here. Let's go, guys. Congratulations to everybody in the Discord for crushing those trades. Absolutely savage. Love to come in here and see the Candle Mafia killing it. If you never 100x YOLO'd short Bitcoin dump, you haven't lived. Wave Cypher, let's go. Okay, guys, let's see, what else do we have? I do have to hop out of here, and what do we got? Yeah, 33. I do have to hop out of here and do this BitBoy crypto video, yeah, what do we got? 443 likes, guys. Let's run it up to 550 for 10 spins on the wheel. Let's at least get it to 500. If we can get 550, I'll give you guys 10 spins on the wheel, and at that point, you guys are definitely getting 20 NFT giveaways. I don't know anyone else giving away 20 NFTs. But hey, yeah, all right. You know, I'm not, let's take a look at Solana. Somebody asked if it was a good idea to long Solana, I think. Let's take a look at Solana real quick. Yeah, money flow crossing back into the red on the 4 hour, but the VWAP's coming up, probably going to drag you back up into the green if I had to guess. Kind of binging and bonging, going sideways here. 4 hour in the red, 10 hour. Yeah, it all kind of looks the same here, guys. Yeah, it all kind of looks same. All kind of looks the same, and it's all kind of hard to read. I'm not gonna lie. You know, this is not the easiest thing to read. Let's check in on USDT dominance. Boom. Let's check it. Yeah, USDT holding that golden pocket. Holding that golden pocket for USDT dominance. Yeah, we'll have to see. I mean, yeah, 10 hours coming into the red. Hard to say here, guys. When you get the money flow kind of like wish-washy, just binging and bonging up, down, red, green, it's hard to tell if you're going to see something happen where you come into the red for a little bit and then you just come back into the green again, or if you're going to see it kind of just bounce around and then continue down. Because if you draw a line here, the green money flow is generally coming down. So I would think this is coming into the red, which would be bullish for the price action of Bitcoin. But nonetheless, we are holding that golden pocket. So this golden pocket right here at about, yeah, this golden pocket right here, Yeah, we're kind of just stuck in a range here. But if we do get a breakdown here, I would expect Bitcoin to come up and vice versa. You know, if we come back into the green and pump, obviously going to be bad for Bitcoin as people will be moving from crypto into Tether. Frankie, did you see the major wick on the daily for Bitcoin? Yeah, we could take a look at it. Let's check a look on the daily. Yeah, funky price action at best, right, guys? It's funky price action. Absolutely interesting stuff. Yeah, we did get a lower wick yesterday on the daily, which is interesting, but looks like we might close above our last daily candle, which is also interesting. But yeah, guys, let's come down to the micro time frames. Yeah, very weird price action. Very weird price action. Let's turn on Market Cipher A. Oh, also on ETH, is it? Yeah, well, I guess that's invalidated at this point. We did have with those blood diamonds yesterday, we did have the yellow X forming on the 1 hour, which was making me feel even more bearish than I already was. But now it's kind of just, I mean, this price action is sketchy. This is sketchy price action, guys. Too bad we cannot short. I know, Rob the Crypto Snob, I was thinking the same thing. Oh, wow. Frankie, any thoughts on OP? Not necessarily, Crypto Pollo. On your screen, ETH weekly looks like a big Head and Shoulders. Yeah. I know. A lot of stuff looks like that. Yeah. I mean, Bitcoin looks like that too. Boom. Breakdown. It would make a lot of sense. You know, a lot of people ignore, I mean, listen, again, I'm not a big Head and Shoulders guy. Like, maybe this little random thing here might invalidate it. I don't know. I'm not a big Head and Shoulders guy. But one thing I would say is, you know, when people were ignoring, you don't want to ignore the basic TA, guys, because we had this bear flag forming on Bitcoin, and it's the most basic formation, one of the most basic trading patterns you learn when you first learn how to trade, and everybody just ignored it and didn't expect it to play out. They all just thought, oh, no, it's this time's different, and we're going up. But no, it just played out like they traditionally do. So maybe these Head and Shoulders are something else that people are ignoring, and we're just going to come down to $2,000 for Bitcoin. I'm just kidding, guys. We going up more. Carlo de Leon says we're going up more. Hey, I wouldn't hate it. I win one trade, then lose the next 5. Ron, hang in there, man. Hang in there. We'll get you there for sure. Whale games, absolutely. If anything looks like whale games, this is definitely it. Do the yellow X's also call for whale manipulation or no? Yes, that is what it indicates, is manipulation in the market. Okay, yeah, I have zero idea what to do longer than 30 seconds at a time. Okay. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and spin this wheel because I do have to get out of here and make this BitBoy crypto video. But good stream today, guys. Good stream today. I think we spit some good knowledge. We shouted out our winners in the Discord. So if you guys want to throw your wins, if you ever win any trades, throw them in that Discord, and I'll show you guys some love. Maybe we'll add it as a portion of the stream where we just kind of show some love to people out there trading. If you want to write some little messages to the stream, feel free to do so. Please keep it family friendly. Anyway, let's have a look at you. Okay, yeah, we'll look at it. Okay. Boom. We looked at this. Thing is absolutely bonkers. Yeah, absolutely insane. Let's see. Did it come up at all? 1000%. Yeah, this thing is... Yeah, this thing is insane. This thing's going nuts. I don't know what's going on. I can't really do TI on this. It's insane. This 1 minute's been in the green forever. But yeah, Frankie, you're an absolute legend. Hey, Palmetto Nick, you're the man. Great stream, Frankie. I appreciate you, my man. I appreciate you. CandleMafia for the win. Great stream. Chusei, let's go. S&P 500. Oh, Rob, we looked at the S&P. We are coming up to resistance, but it is actually looking pretty good. If we hit 500 likes this stream, I will throw in 4 NFTs. Guys, Tony's upping the ante. Tony D is upping the ante. He says if we hit 500, he'll throw an extra 4 NFTs. And I'll give you guys, if I said if we hit 550, I'll give you 10. If we hit 500, I'll give you guys 6 spins. 6.5 spins. Awesome streak. Chemistry, bro. I appreciate you. I appreciate every single one of you guys. You guys are the absolute best. And I appreciate you guys so much. You have no idea. And that's why we want to just go ahead and give you guys these wheel spins all the time. We just really want to, I want to give my stuff. I want to give you guys stuff. You guys allow me to come in and do 2 of my favorite things every single day. I get to drink some black coffee with you guys, and I get to do TA and talk crypto with some of the coolest people that I've ever met, even though I've only met you guys virtually. You guys are some of you guys are you guys are all some of the coolest people I ever met. And I look forward to the day where we can have Frankie Candles meetups, and you know, we can all hang out. That's gonna be really cool one day. That was quick. 6.9 spins. Okay, fine. 3 more. Oh God. Wait, Crypto Anon saying he's throwing 3 more. Get it to 500, I'll throw another 2. Okay, I'm confused, guys. Screen. Okay, no problem. You can spin me anytime, baby. Hey, Arabella. What's going on? 503. Great content. Alexandra, I appreciate you. All right, guys, we got 506 likes. I'll be honest. I don't know how much the mods are going to throw in because they said 5. I'll throw in 4, and then I'll throw another 2. Crypto Anon chimed in. I'm going to let them keep track of that, but I'm just going to go ahead and say the mods just blessed you guys with a bunch of extra NFTs. I don't want to put a number on it because I don't know. I don't want to look back in chat and try to do the math. They just blessed you guys. So shout out to everybody for the likes, and shout out to the mods for being cool too, because you guys are the real heroes. Because you guys came from the community, and now you're giving back to the same community you're a part of. It's insane, guys. What a cool thing to be a part of. I think we got something really special going on with the CandleMafia here. I think we could break YouTube. I'm not gonna lie. I bet you we could break YouTube. At least crypto YouTube. Let's be the biggest channel. Maybe under Ben. But let's be the second biggest channel on crypto YouTube, especially in the next bull run. We're going parabolic, baby. Let's go ahead and spin this dang wheel. 515 likes. Let's get it. I'm giving you guys 8 spins. Random 8 spins. And you guys got the beefed up giveaways. I made them bigger, so you got more. So here we go. Starting it off strong, baby. Let's go. Giveaway. Boom. Giveaway number 2. Let's hit it, baby. All right, 15-minute Discord hangout. I was in Discord for like a couple hours yesterday, just kind of chatting, hanging out with you guys. So I'm just going to keep doing that every time we land on this. Also, guys, we are still revamping the wheel. We're kind of waiting on the super chats to beef up and make the wheel really, really exciting. So just bear with me with this wheel right now. The only thing you guys got to worry about is the giveaways are getting bigger and bigger. So we're going to keep doing the giveaways, but we're about to make this thing really, really cool and really fun. Spin number 3. Let's go. Zihan, what's going on? Let's go. CandleMafia, let's get it. Oh my God, I'm gonna live in Discord now. Spin number 4, let's go. Bing bong, wheel spun, let's get it. DJ Mad, what's going on? Crypto Carl, the ETH of YouTube, let's get it. Giveaway, add it to the list, boys. Add it to the list. I see you, Mitch. I see you. I can't read that, but I see you. I see you. Bear with you or bull with you? Bull with me. Yeah, Jay Rego, I see you too. Oh, it's raining NFTs today, baby. It's spin 6? Spin 6, I think. Someone will correct me if I'm wrong. Is there a way to notify when you enter Discord? Daddy Zach, what do you mean by that? Funny hat. All right, we're wearing the fedora. I don't know what you mean. Is there a way to notify when you enter Discord? Okay. So what I can do is I'll go in and I'll @ everyone, and that should give you a notification. It should say @Frankie Candles said something in Discord, and then that'll let you know. Yeah, last night was cool. Like, I was kind of hanging out, talking to one group of people, and then those people started signing off as it got later. And then I saw more people come in like, oh, Frankie's in here. Hey, what's up, man? Love the content. It's so cool, man. Like, it's the coolest thing in the world. I love hanging out with you guys and talking to you guys. It's like super cool, super cool. I like, yeah, it's the coolest thing. Spin 7, I think. Spin 7. Let me know if I'm ripping you off. Good day, Ryan. What is going on? Thank you for being here, man. You can put notifications on for Frankie. There you go. Let's go. J Rego Music answering the questions. Night off. Spin number 8, baby. Give him a giveaway on the last spin. We're hitting those 20 giveaways. Those 20 giveaways. We're going. We're going. Funny hat. All right, one more for good luck, and then we're done, guys. I think we might already be past 20 giveaways, but. Or tweet it, I'm here. Why? Captain, I had to do work for a minute. Lol. I don't know how I missed you being here. I'm there always. Daddy Zach, yeah, I was hanging in there for, I was in and out, right? I went in there, kind of chatted a little bit, and then went back to the charts, and then went back to chat, and we got another giveaway. Let's go, guys. All right, before I wind up going poor, I'm going to cut it there. No extra spins for you guys, but we got close to 550 likes, guys. So Frankie doesn't do nights off. WTF. Ryesh, that is correct. We don't, we'll sleep. There's plenty of time to sleep when we're old. Thanks, Frankie. I'm glad you're jumping more often in the Discord with us. Let's go. Blast Auto Group. Appreciate you, man. What's the video for the hat giveaway? The 2 videos for the giveaway, guys, if you want to go right after the stream and head over there. False top theory. Like, comment, be a subscriber. You're entered in for the NFT and the hat giveaway. Video number 2 is the KuCoin leverage video. How to maximize your gains, I think is the name on the thumbnail. The 2 most recent uploads we have that are pre-recorded tutorials. That other video, that KuCoin video, like, comment, be a subscriber, and you entered into, so now you have 2 entries, right? So you got 1 on each video. If I were you guys, enter on both videos, so you have a double chance to win. You might even win an NFT and a hat. There's nothing stopping that from happening. So maybe for better or for worse. But, excuse me, 10 giveaways. Let's go. Let's go. Frankie, don't forget your water. Who said that? YouTube addicted. Thank you. I am now hydrated. Guys, don't forget, Debate Crypto is live right now covering the fundamentals and the news. So don't forget to go over there. Show them some love. Let them know Frankie Candle sent you. Drop a like, leave a comment, hop up in there and chat. Let them know what's up. I don't think I'm going to be able to hop in there tonight because I got to go do this video, but go show them some love. Let them know CandleMafia loves them and supports them. And with all that being said, guys, great stream. Thank you all for tuning in. We have like 600 people in here tonight. Thank you to each and every single one of you. That's all I got. Guys, set your risk management. Set your stop losses. Use good risk management. Don't get wrecked. And let's hope Bitcoin stops spazzing out and we can get some analyzable information. That's all I got for tonight's stream, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Same place, same time. I love each and every single one of you. That's all I got. Frankie Candle's out. Bing bong.